Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we dey see our program, for here we dey bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria and the rest of the world. For now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club news. So today's show go dey very different because my laptop get issues, so e no gree boot, so I no come fit shoot the way I take dey shoot, to edit am, to upload am. So today I go just give una update like this, then tomorrow I go look for how I go take carry am go computer village make I go change the hard drive because I think na the hard drive be the problem. So we enter today's news. E no be news again. I say Arsenal don beat Southampton 3-0 as we dey happy with the way wey dem take win. Odegaard score for the match, Lacazette sef score, Gabriel Magalhaes sef score. Even though we miss plenty chances for that match, but still thank God say we still win. But apart from that match, the thing wey come overshadow the match na the way Aubameyang take behave, because Aubameyang say he no play for that match wey we play against Southampton because Arteta drop am. So that one come be the controversy, na be the talking point wey dey online now. So Arteta don issue statement say the guy him get disciplinary issues wey make dem come drop am, and as of yesterday nobody know wetin really sup. So this morning now we come dey hear say Aubameyang request for leave, so the guy come comot. So but he come back late to training on Friday. He no even come London Colney at all. He miss training, the guy no turn up at all, and he no call coach, he no call anybody, tell them say okay, see you, I no go come training or see wetin sup, and you are the captain, for crying out loud. That's why the guy come turn up late. I think I come to say okay, as you take come late now, you no go play. So now the question now be say whether they go even drop the captain handband from him hand. Now wetin we dey even dey hear, we never know how e go stop, because this is the second time he has done this in about whether na 9 months abi how long sef, and you are a captain, you are not giving good example to people. That is why they come to say they go drop am. So apart from this issue, Kevin Campbell sef come as I call dey talk about Pepe. You know say they no dey play Pepe at all, na just cameo appearances. So Kevin Campbell come dey talk say the reason for him wey him feel say make dem no dey use Pepe na because Pepe get one kind attitude problem. Maybe the guy no dey lis ten to wetin coach dey talk, because how you go get Pepe for bench? You go dey play people like maybe Nketiah, you no go dey reason inside, as in they no dey reason am, and this guy is the highest player wey we say we buy for transfer, 72 million pounds, our record breaking person. We buy am to come keep am for Benjamin. Say e no make sense at all. So away from that story, another story wey dey run for social media be say a lot of Arsenal fans come dey talk say whether make Arsenal go sign Mauricio Icardi from PSG. I no know whether una know this guy, whether I don see the guy play, because me, I no go lie for you, I just know the guy for name. I never really follow am, man, know how him good because I know say for PSG there the guy dey for Benjamin, so I never know wetin sup. Like what this Simon Ubani dey talk, like some people dey talk say the guy go do tattoo. I no be lie sef, because 24 hours to that Arsenal match but they show Aubameyang going carry tattoo, show picture, but we no know whether na him do the tattoo before the match abi don do am since they come post the picture. We never really know. So mo no really talk say na tattoo, because Arteta no come outside say the guy go tattoo. Wetin we hear be say the guy Aubameyang request for leave, and officially the club allow am to go, but he no come back early. Na that coming back early na him be the offence. No be say him go do tattoo. Even like him go do tattoo, it's not our business. Even like him go see him family, it's not our business. The main koko be say you went out and you came back late, bearing in mind that we have a match on Saturday. You did not come to training on Friday. Are you expecting that on Saturday they'll just put you in? Na the issue be that. That's why they no put am. So back to the matter, shey could go for Mauricio Icardi for January, abi mo no go for am. If you know the guy, if you know how the guy dey play, abeg let me know for the comment section, man, know how good the guy dey. Maybe after this live now I go for YouTube now, go check how the guy dey play, whether the guy dey good enough. So apart from that, another story wey come dey burst my brain, wey come dey sweet me be say Atletico Madrid president wey dem dey call Gil Martin don tell Joao Felix agent say if anybody wan buy Joao Felix, make na let us know, say we go part ways as long as the offer make sense. So if e be like that, na be say e don give Arsenal green light, say if una wan buy Joao Felix, make na come for January, as long as una go pay money, there will no wahala, na we go sign the guy. And the valuation for Joao Felix na 63 million pounds. Na wetin dem evaluate the guy, say in case Arsenal wan sign the guy or anybody dey interested in signing the guy, no wahala, make dem come carry am. So away from that story, I don't know whether I hear say Antonio Martial agent through Sky Sports, because they interview am for Sky Sports. So he contest Sky Sports say Antonio Martial wan comot for January o, say dey look for any club wey go come sign am. And Arsenal now, since we dey find striker because Aubameyang now with the way things dey sup and never no really know wetin dey happen with the guy, whether they go drop am indefinitely or whether they go do am wetin dem do Ozi, I never know because the guy dey get stubborn head. I never really understand. So we need striker now. So whether we go for Martial for January, even if na loan, mo collect the guy, make come play for us, or even if na outright buy, mo buy am. Una support that move, say mo go buy Martial. Abo fashi Martial, say maybe the guy na shit packer, maybe the guy not too good enough. Wetin una think? Mo go for Martial, abo mo no go for Martial. So away from that one, the reason Martial matter. Paul Merson wey be one of our monitoring spirits come dey let us know say e go make sense because the guy dey for pundit duty. You come dey talk say e go make sense make Arsenal go all out for Dominic Calvert-Lewin of Everton. Say e go make sense more go all out, go carry this guy because the guy dey very good, even though now the guy get injury. So in dey for treatment stable, but they talk say by January no I go don recover. Say make we go carry this guy, shey una support this move. Say any amount wey dem talk, if na 60 million pounds, if na 70 million pounds, make we go buy the guy because the guy is still young and the guy na person wey be say if he dey for your front, he get good hold up play, he go fit hold ball, distribute ball. If na short, you go wipe am. If na cross and nod, you go nod am. Any which way wey you want, he go give you. The guy dey very good, he dey clinical in front of goal. Shey una go support, make we go for this guy. Abomo Fashiam. So apart from all these transfer issues now, Martin Keown wey be one of our legends come and say dey talk say for this Aubameyang matter now, say him dey expect say Arteta go drop this guy, collect the captain handband from him hand because he's not worthy of a captain. Because which kind of captain are you? Why go dey comot? It no make sense now. You get una get match early kickoff like that kind of 4, no be say na night. Una get match 4 p.m. wey be say normal supposed to come training. No, you no come on Friday. You no call anybody. And no be say you get suspension or say maybe referee give you red card, no be say you go miss one match. You know say on a normal day you fit dey for the team sheet. Who knows? Or maybe like I said, if you go get injury, they'll come draft you in. Nobody knows. You are the captain for crying out loud. You can't miss training on Friday. No fit call coach say, coach how far? See, I no go there around though. See one thing happen. No, you no call anybody. Say make they comot the captain handband from your hand. So this Aubameyang behavior now, wetin don overshadow everything. This our win, no win 3-0. Nobody even dey talk about the win again. Everybody come dey talk about Aubameyang. What should be done to Aubameyang? Shey una support say make dem comot captain handband from this guy hand. Abi make dem still leave am. Na the issue wey dey ground now. Even Agbonla herself come outside call the CHUKS for the matter, talk say him when he dey for Aston Villa, when he be captain, he say he fuck up like this. Say he get when he mess up, say he come go smoke shisha. They come catch am with camera saying the smoke shisha. So as they come reason the matter, say out of shame he no fit do anything. Say he just comot that captain handband, tender am, resign, say he no wan be captain again. Say if Aubameyang know the best thing for am, make him just resign, make him just comot that captain handband, carry am give the vice captain wey be Lacazette. Say baba take o, I no do again o, I no wan do captain again o. So I don't know how una feel this one. Shey make dem comot the captain handband from Auba, carry am give Lacazette. Abi make dem forgive Aubameyang, say na human being na, nobody is infallible, again nobody is perfect, anybody can make mistake. How una feel for that one? Let me know for the comment section. So my dear football lovers, na the few updates we did this morning be this. So hopefully tomorrow I will come give una live. Tomorrow morning I will give una live again. Then in the afternoon I will go computer village, go repair my laptop. My see I go do so that on Tuesday I go continue with our normal updates wey we dey do am. So my dear football lovers, thanks for joining the show. Tomorrow I'll come your way again. So I gotta go. Happy Sunday. I enjoy yourself. Ciao.